Sawyer Products Mini Water Filtration System. In order to be fully prepared for any situation where you might not be able to get to clean water, you should have a filtering system on hand. There are many different kinds that you can get. When you're choosing one, you want to look at whether or not it's lightweight and whether or not it can filter out the bacteria effectively. A system like the Sawyer Products Mini Water Filtration System meets both of those requirements. It's lightweight at only 2 ounces and can be used in a number of different ways. When the system was checked for effectiveness, it prevented bacteria from getting through. You can take the system along in the event of an emergency situation as you're traveling, and you can keep a supply of them at home in the event your normal access to water is no longer working. It's also the perfect tool to take along if you're going hiking or planning on doing any camping. You can travel to other countries with the system to ensure that you have clean drinking water. This filtering system fits the 16-ounce pouch that comes with the purchase. This pouch is reusable, and since it's a soft squeeze material, this will enable you to put the water from the pouch into other containers if you want to. It's also designed so that the filter will fit snugly onto the majority of water bottles you can find sold separately. It's also made to fit with a hydration pack without you having to buy anything else once you have the hydration pack. There's a straw included so that you can lean down to drink straight out of a stream, lake or other body of water without having to add a second step. The handy tool gives you the ability to filter water to put into bottles for yourself or a group. The system relies on micron filtering to bring you clean water faster than other systems. It has microtubes that let water in, and because there are so many tubes within the system, you end up with a greater filtering rate and less chance of the water not being safe. The filters are micron size. They offer high protection against E. coli, bacteria, salmonella, protozoa and more. In testing, the system was proved to be 99.9999% effective. The system can be backflushed and there are no filter cartridges that you have to change out. You'll want to clean the filter after you use it before you store it for another use. The filter will never stop filtering the water every time you use it, but if you end up getting a slower than normal rate of water, all you have to do is backwash to restore the flow.